All eyes on Doge. Big runner. To the moon. Whew. Doge still going up. All eyes on Doge. Still big runner. To the moon. Keep going up. Going up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Upward movement in Doge. Dogecoin. Up. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin. Upward movement in Doge. Dogecoin. 42.60. All eyes on Doge. Dogecoin.
Hey everybody, Kriss here. Welcome on a Tuesday, April 1st. Yeah, April Fool's Day. Did you guys get fooled? Did you believe everything you read on X? I didn't. It was kind of fun. A little underwhelming, I thought. There could have been some better ones, but all in all, it's one of those things. It's one of those things. Chart setups? I got a couple to show you. Not a big deal. It's April Fool's Day. It's like, yeah. Come up with a great name, right? For the stream to pull everybody in, and it's just like, Dogecoin chart setups. We'll look at a couple charts. Look at some of the news. What's going on, and then we'll have fun. Yeah, the proof of twerk. Exactly right. Proof of twerk. It's like that was so like how many years ago was that proof of twerk thing? Thought it was like Bruce, you thought it crashed. Bitcoin or the Dogecoin blockchain crashed. Yeah. Oh, for those that don't know, yes, I retweeted a couple things here. Right, there's that one. Dogecoin blockchain crashed. Yeah, that didn't happen. And then there's this one. The new Dogecoin upgrade. Consensus algorithm. Proof of twerk consensus is achieved through synchronized twerking to a randomly selected TikTok dance track. Hey, what better thing to do, right, than to make this? What else could they possibly be doing? I'm like, okay. But it was fun. It was fun. And of course we had, right, the happy Doge. You gotta love a sheep, right? Just like you gotta love a sheep. What an awesome dog, right? You gotta love it. So yeah, so that was going on today. Dogecoin, 17.2. Got up to 17.5. We've got a double top in the short time frame here. 17.5, can't get over. Bitcoin got over 84K, touched 85. So it did get over its line here, 84.4. Some good trading, but overall, Doge is up 3.2%, Bitcoin up 2.8%. So Dogecoin again outperforming Bitcoin on green days, as we've seen again and again and again. But the Bitcoin maxis don't want to hear that. So it is what it is. So what's going on overall? Well, we had more donations came in to the House of Doge wallet. We had one today of 0.69 Doge. Somebody having fun. So the House of Doge wallet is getting a little bigger. It's like Elon Musk's, this is a legitimate news article title. Elon Musk's bombshell statement crashes Dogecoin price action. Will Doge ever see 19 cents again? And it's just like, oh, man. Oh, man. And of course, there was the one like Elon Musk sold X. Oh, what are we going to do? Oh, wait, he sold it to himself. People actually thought that was real. Like it was a legitimate thing that Elon had actually sold X to somebody else. No. No. Meanwhile, Dogecoin, Cardano lead gains as crypto majors rally. Yes, we had a green day. A green day today. I showed in my video this morning the crypto bubbles, right, with almost all of them green. And I was like, that's not an April Fool's Day joke. Actually, it's a green day. It's been a while. It's been a while. Not an April Fool's joke. So we have some renewed optimism despite the looming tariff concerns. That's tomorrow. Tomorrow is Liberation Day or whatever, right? And Trump has conveniently scheduled his press conference for the Rose Garden at the White House for 4 o'clock after the stock markets close. So there is that, but we will be live. Now, we are going to be live. People can't hear me. Hello? Everything looks good on my end. No. Hold on just a second. Oh, you silly guys. Ha ha ha. Oh. April Fools. Do you want to see these charts or not? I got some great charts. Guys. Do you want the charts? Oh, man. I do love live streaming, but every once in a while, I can't see what you guys see, particularly on audio and video. But you got me. I'm like, wait a second. Yeah, so we'll skip that. It was a good day today. Dogecoin, still number 8, $25.5 billion market cap. It's almost $2 billion above Cardano. So safely in 8th place here, up 3.5% over the past 24 hours. So that is good for Doge. Analyst calls for what? A Dogecoin chart that's a beauty. A Dogecoin chart that's a beauty. Key indicators are aligning. And you know how I feel about charts, right? They only tell you what happened in the past. Not what's coming in the future. But Cantonese cat has a diagonal trend line all the way from May of 2021 to March of 2024. And we broke through that in November, came down and retested it right there. And then there's this Ichimoku cloud, which I don't know what that is. Are you guys like all happy? Are you proud of yourself? Look at you guys. You're all proud of yourself. Oh, nice. Hey, I'll give that a heart. There you go. You get a heart. Oh, God, I hate April Fool's Day. Can it be over already? But look, guys, on this chart, we've got the 100-week SMA in blue. We've got the 200-week SMA in black. And they just converged right there, right when Doge dipped down to 14 cents. Remember that? That was, I mean, the stars aligned right there. That's the bottom of 2025. It already happened. Dogecoin is not going lower. It's impossible. It's absolutely impossible for Doge to go lower because we had it touch the Ichimoku cloud with the 100-week SMA, the 200-week SMA, and the diagonal trend line all hit in one spot. And that's it. Dogecoin cannot go lower. It is impossible. That is the chart setup I needed to show you guys. Because that's it. It's all up from here. It can't go any lower. It's impossible. Absolutely impossible. Crash Coin, today's your birthday. How do you live with an April Fool's Day birthday? How do you make it through the day? Oh, the bar is low to entertain us. So there it is. There's the chart setup. You need to see the Ichimoku cloud with the 100-week SMA, the 200-week SMA, the downward diagonal trend line, and the dip we had all converged in one point. And so that's it. And so that's it. Dogecoin cannot go any lower. So Ichimoku cloud shows like the trend will be to come up to 26, 27 cents here. So let's follow the Ichimoku cloud, right? It's powerful, huh, Weather Girl? That Ichimoku cloud. I don't know how those things get made, but if Doge price wants to follow that up there, I'll take that. And we also had George. Yes, our friend George. Cryptos are us. Now, when George posts something about Dogecoin, it's got to be good, right? Because that's all George does. Except when the market's crashing. And then it's all crash, right? Because he does that to get views. But he posted this chart. I don't know who he stole it from. You don't really believe Doge is finished for the cycle, right? It's hovering just above the weekly 200 EMA, putting it squarely in the DCA zone, meaning buy now because it's going up. So, I don't know, between that and the Ichimoku cloud, I'm feeling bullish on an April Fool's Day, and that ain't no joke. And then, of course, this morning, if you guys watched my video, I did have the Dogecoin April price prediction video that everybody's been waiting for. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't watched it yet, after the stream, give that a view. A lot of good information in there talking about patterns of monthly returns, and April is generally a good month for Dogecoin. So, good month for Dogecoin for April. And maybe today Max will get a membership if he shows up. If you don't know, late in the stream yesterday, people were gifting memberships to try and get Max. And he just couldn't do it. Of course, when all that began, Max had not even enabled getting memberships. So that was kind of against him. But then he enabled it and he still didn't get a membership. He could always buy a membership, but I guess he doesn't want to do that. I know, Vance, you tried. You did try. You did try. So for April Fool's Day today, guess what we're going to do? We're going to do an early Dogecoin giveaway. So the early crew, if you are here, we're going to give away some Dogecoin. Because that's what we do. This is this. And we just type Dogecoin in the chat. Dogecoin. start collecting comments. If you want to win some Doge, type Dogecoin in the chat. Beginning with a capital D, OGECOI. And Dogecoin, we're going to do an early giveaway today for the Dogecoin. We will have 3 draws at 33 Dogecoin each. And all you have to do is type Dogecoin in the chat to be eligible to win the draw, because the giveaway tool does it randomly. And then, yeah, Ichimoku, I wasn't going to do that, Weather Girl, because nobody would be able to spell that. Nobody would get that right. Even if I put it up on the screen, they'd still not get it right. And then you have to be willing to send me an email if you are the winner, one of the winners, with your YouTube handle and your Dogecoin wallet address. For some of you who are members and have not received your Dogecoin yet, most likely you haven't sent me an email, or you sent it today and I just haven't gotten to it yet. But I did get through all of the emails from Sunday and Monday, I think, and everybody got their Doge. But you have to send an email if you have sent me an email previously because you won on a giveaway like a week ago or 2 weeks ago or a month ago. Those emails are gone. I need a new email from you to get your Doge. So just a reminder, because I just tick them through email after email after email, and then they're gone. I don't go back. So, yes, we're doing an early crew Dogecoin draw today just for the fun of it. Just for the fun of it. And I know I only have 53 likes, but we should have 100 likes. So while you're waiting for the draw to start, please hit the like button as well. Let's get the likes up. What are the perks and tiers, Nismo? So essentially, when you go to a higher tier, I mean, we can look at it, right? You go to the join button, and it shows you right here. There's a rookie. There's an all-star. All-star includes access to perks from previous levels, member shout-outs. You get shout-outs, and you get possibly more status updates. And if you go to MVP, priority stream suggestions. So you guys who are like MVP and we connect on social media, when you're an MVP. And I've had some good email chats with some of the MVP members. That has been awesome. So that's what that's about. How are we doing on likes? Up to 75. Close. Half of you guys like the stream. Half of you guys. Nismo, down in Somerset. Awesome. Not too far. I'm just up here in Boston. Hanging out. Got a nice sunny day. A little cool, but you know. Blake, you received your Doge. Awesome. You're welcome. Cohen wants a shout out. Sure, shout out. Ian Hype says buy the dips. You can buy the dips, but it's more fun, I think, to win some Dogecoin. So let's do that. Draw now. Go. Happy April Fool's Day. But this is real. Maybe I'm going to win. Kevo. Kevo. It is your day. Now, when your name is drawn, you have a choice. You can either accept the Dogecoin, and all you have to do is say in the chat, thank you, Kriss, or make some witty comment. That would be fine. Or you can say, pass it on, if you want to pass it on. Giveaway number 37. Pax cat in the house. Charlotte, my cat is here, not your cat. Kevo, been so generous. So I am going to pass this one. Insert witty comment here. So I got both a pass it on and a witty comment. And we have a Pax cat in the house. Hey, buddy, what you doing? What you doing? He's just going to hang out here on my desk. All right, we're going to draw again. Let's go. Let's go. Happy April Fool's Day to Marino. Marino. Congratulations, Marino. Yay, Marino says. All right. Very good, Marino. Congratulations. You're welcome. I will give you the email address at the end of the third drawing. I'll put that up on the screen for you to send me the email. Fuzzball, you were close. I saw your name too. You were close. Anybody coming in, just type Dogecoin in the chat to be entered in the drawing. We're doing an early drawing today for the early crew. Getting this out of the way, and then we'll have some fun. April Fool's Day, of which the chat already played an April Fool's joke on me. You got me. You got me. Wasn't even paying attention to the chat while I was doing my thing, and you guys got me. All right, let's go. Draw number 2. Let's do this. And the winner of the second draw is Joseph Hancock. Joseph, congratulations. Let us know how you feel about winning some Dogecoin, or if you'd like to pass it on, that is your choice. Hey, Joseph, congrats. Oh, yeah, Bruce, you were right there. Rigged. So rigged. Hey, I haven't even won yet. When I win, then you know it's totally rigged. All right, third draw. Here we go. 33 Dogecoin up for grabs. Zion Malik. Zion, you are a repeat winner, I believe. Zion, I love you too, sounds. Love you too. Wow, Zion says. Congrats, dude. All right, for you 3, you need to send me an email, and that email needs to, no, don't go in there. No. It's trying to climb underneath my camera box again. Can't have you do that, cat. Here's my email address. Kriss Crypto, KrissKrypto, KrissCrypto@gmail.com. Send me an email, and you need to include both your YouTube handle and your Dogecoin wallet address. Yes, you have to include your Dogecoin wallet, so I know what wallet to send your 33 Doge to. And then tonight, I'll send you the Doge. Can't do it right now because I'm a little busy trying to keep the cat from getting into trouble. So a little busy with that. Yeah, I'm not falling for that again, guys. Definitely not falling for that again. So, yeah, Dogecoin just hanging out, 17.2. Wait, Joseph? Are you passing? Are you passing, or is that an April Fool's? I'm not falling for that. It cost me 33 Doge. I know Joseph said he was passing. But is it an April Fool's joke? Okay, confirmed. Joseph is passing it on. We're gonna go again. Draw. Let's go. Zion, I got you. I got you, dude. Maxim. Hey, Maxim. As long as you didn't leave. There you go, Maxim. Congratulations. Yay. Yes, you are rich. All right. You can send me an email tonight. You can send me an email now if you want. I'm just not going to get around to sending out the Doge till tonight. So there we go. Now we have this red candle here that's not supposed to happen during giveaways on KrissPax live streams. Not supposed to happen. We zoom out on the 4-hour chart. This is what we were looking at yesterday. Is for the past week, Doge has been down 20%. We got that, but we broke out, came back, retested 17.5, retested it twice, 17.5, and couldn't get over the hump. Couldn't get over the hump. So what is Doge going to do now? This is decision time right here. Does Doge turn around and finally break through? Or I don't want to drop back down into the 16s. How many likes do I have? 97. I've got 97 likes. So, yeah. Paranormal's causing trouble. I can tell already. Causing trouble. Doge's going to break through like the Kool-Aid guy. Yeah. Hey, ETH hit 1900. 1900. Starting to come back, but then it just fails again. Still under 2000 for ETH. I don't know what ETH is going to do. Somebody said, April Fool's, ETH is going to hit 10,000. No, just kidding. Just kidding. Not going to do it. Cardano at 67 cents. We did hit 69 cent Cardano. But not over $1 like it was. Doge has a long ways to go. We got that. But hey, look, we got the Ichimoku cloud going for us. So the Ichimoku cloud is saying we've already bottomed. We bottomed. So it's up only from here. Guaranteed. And I can say that on April Fool's Day because I'm right either way. What? What do you want? Causing trouble? Causing trouble. There's the cat. Causing trouble. What you doing, buddy, huh? Troublemaker in the house. Yeah, Zach is buying bonds. CDM, you joined the live. 1 year ago, you became a member on April Fool's Day. Well, there you go. Hey, Jay. Well, what's better? I've never used a Trezor, so I don't know. I've heard good things from people who use Trezors. I never got one. I have the Ledger here. Love the Ledger. Just don't enable the Ledger Recover thing. You have to pay a monthly fee for that anyway. Why would you want to do that? You just write down your seed phrase and keep it safe. And this is perfectly good. Don't trade or swap on Ledger Live. Buy on exchange. Transfer to your Ledger device. Your crypto, safekeeping, all of that. And we still have one more day. Yes, one more day of the Ledger deal. One more day of the Ledger deal. You can get $70 worth of Bitcoin. If you buy a Ledger Flex, you get $40 of Bitcoin if you buy a Ledger Nano X, and you get $30 of Bitcoin for Nano S Plus. So for $79, you'll get $30 of Bitcoin. That's what I did about 2.5 years ago when I got mine. Paid $79. Yeah, there's shipping costs. It's not bad. But then I got $30 of Bitcoin when Bitcoin was at like 17K. So this has essentially become a free ledger for me. So I have a link in the description below. Take you right to the Ledger sale page if you want a Ledger hardware wallet. Check that out. Last day of the sale, I think, is tomorrow. Tomorrow, last day of the sale. My prediction tomorrow is volatility, fuzzball. Volatility is my prediction for tomorrow. Hey, we had good trading today. Fear of tariffs and all of that, but Trump is going to speak at 4 o'clock East Coast United States time, right at the close of the New York Stock Exchange. So he's waiting for the stock exchange to finish trading before he starts talking about tariffs, which is probably a good idea. Probably a good idea. But that's when it's going to be, and it's also when I am going to be live at the same time. But we're not going to be listening to Trump talk about tariffs. So we already know what he's going to say. We'll be watching the charts, though, and see what the reaction is on the charts. That will be tomorrow, Crypto Tariff Day. Crypto Tariff Day. Jai, what's up for April Fool's Day? The chat already got me early on. They got me good. I fell for it. I was like, whoa, what? They got me. How do I get a Dogecoin wallet? So you can keep your Doge in Robinhood if you want. However, it's not your Doge. So my recommendation is what's called MyDoge. And it depends on where you live also. But if you're in the United States, 48 out of the 50 states will allow you to download a MyDoge wallet, which is Dogecoin only. You will have your own Dogecoin wallet address, which is yours and only yours, not temporary. It's yours. You get a seed phrase, so the Doge you put on here then is your Doge. And then this is what I use. It's accessible on your phone. This is what I use whenever I'm tipping someone, receiving tips, spending my Doge on whatever, giving out Doge, like in giveaways and members. That's all through MyDoge. Great little wallet. It's Dogecoin only, very user-friendly, easy to use, and it's your wallet, your crypto. So you don't have to move all of your Dogecoin on it. You can keep a bunch on Robinhood and just move some of it over. And then you have your own Dogecoin wallet with your Doge. That's what I recommend. I don't get paid to shill my Doge. It's just a great, handy little wallet. It's on your phone. It's with you wherever you go. Of course, always have two-factor authentication on your phone as well, just in case someone does an eSIM attack or gets your phone somehow. You want to make sure that, I know it's a pain in the butt to punch the numbers and do the Face ID and yeah, pain in the ass. I get it. But keeping your Doge, keeping everything safe is more important. So that's what I do. MyDoge, great little wallet. I zoned out during the vid this morning. A Dogecoin's going over $1 this month. Of course. No, Liberation Day starts really at 4 o'clock East Coast time. Ledger Live, 2 reasons, Jay. One is to not swap on Ledger Live. 2 reasons. One, you're not going to get the best price. You're going to get a better price on an exchange than on Ledger Live, because they're going to like up the price when you buy and drop the price when you sell and grab a profit. That's what they're going to do. Second, you're opening yourself up on Ledger Live just that little bit of some attack may be happening. And if you've got a lot of crypto on your Ledger device, the last thing you want to do is have somebody hack into it. And just to reduce the risk of anything going wrong, buy crypto on an exchange. So he will wreck the crypto market. Right. He's not going to wreck the stock market, but he's going to wreck the crypto market. We all already know what he's going to say. We already know what Trump is going to say tomorrow. There's nothing new. There's going to be nothing new. But it's dumb for people to like freak out about it again. How do you move back from MyDoge to Robinhood? So Robinhood allows you to transfer either onto or off the platform. So when it gets to the point where you want to move your Doge from like a MyDoge wallet to Robinhood, you essentially go into Robinhood and you say you want to receive, and they will give you a wallet to use in order to receive Dogecoin. Liberation today, what to expect? Volatility. That's it. I think in the end, it's going to be a nothing burger. Up and down. Prepare to be liberated from your money. I know, and I promised October 20th would definitely be Dogecoin at $1. Promised. Jay, you got your Doge? Cool. All right. And that was definitely financial advice. Yes, Blake. Today I can give financial advice. Absolutely. Because it's April Fool's Day. And you can believe what I say or not. Oh, Gracie's on your lap? Well, Peck's cat says hello to Gracie. Don't you, buddy? Don't you, buddy? Adam Z. You sent an email Sunday for the members Doge, but haven't. No, don't go in there. Adam, send me another email. I'll check. Okay. I'll check. I think what might have happened. Oh, yeah, you just sent me an email. I think the problem here is there's too many atoms. And I may have sent your Doge to somebody else. Did I do that? That might have been one of them. You are Adam Z, right? I'll check tonight, all right? I'm pretty sure I sent to Adam Z. But I will check because there's an Adam K. I know I did Adam K. Oh, I'll check. A lot of Adams. Sorry. I will check that. You're welcome, Dia. Maybe Max will be liberated with a membership today. Yeah. The Tom Lee guy thinks everything is priced in for April 2nd, expects a big recovery in the stock market. If true, crypto will follow. Okay. Again, stocks will all be trading tomorrow before the tariff announcement press conference. So I don't know how the stocks are going to trade leading up to that. Hi, Akar. You can't get the MyDoge to work. Yeah, a lot of people have been having problem. A lot of people have been having problem. And I don't have an Android. I can't look at it. I'm not in Tennessee, so sorry. There's a Trust Wallet as well. You can use Trust Wallet. You can try that. It's not Doge only, but it's a good wallet on your phone for Doge. Yeah, just send me another email to Koa. I can't look at it now. Hi, Ryan. No. I know. Yeah, I call him Buddy because that's what he is most of the time. But sometimes he's a PETA, pain in the ass, PETA. Oh. Yeah, that's what I'm hearing. MyDoge is not working on Android phones. Mm-hmm. White House announcement on X acceleration investment, $3 trillion. Wow. Not priced in. We'll see. It's a long-term deal, Raiden, on the whole tariff thing, in my opinion. It's like this is short-term pain for long-term gain. By next fall, guaranteed next fall, prices are higher. Because it's all going to get rolled up over the next few months. And as I've been saying, for months and months and months, wait until the fall. And I know you want it to go up now. Maybe it will. But ever since the end of last year, beginning of this year, I've been saying the big gains are going to be in the fall. That's when all the Trump stuff is all going to get rolled up. It's all going to start taking effect. So, Hakar, if you sent me an email this morning, I haven't looked at it yet. I haven't gotten to today's emails on members Doge giveaways. So or for the other giveaways. I haven't gotten to it yet for this morning. I got to do this thing called work. I actually have a job. I got to work on that. Not 100%, but Alex from MyDoge kind of hinted at not supporting Android anymore. I wonder why. It's a great little app. I don't know. Torpedo bats. Exactly, James. Torpedo bats. Everybody's like, what's a torpedo bat? Hey, if you can hit a home run, hitting off your hands, then those torpedo bats are going to be huge. Pax Cat's like, don't call me buddy. PETA was the name of a cat you rescued as a kid. Yep. PETA, word of the day. Apple confirmed. Better than Android. I love the Apple phone. Just, it's one of those things. I don't use Macs. I use Windows PCs and Windows laptops. But I do like the iPhone. This coming fall, October, November 2025. Well, that's the thing, DM. It hasn't been reciprocal. So we have been paying for cheap Chinese stuff without any tariffs on them. And so we all get used to paying cheap prices for foreign goods. Meanwhile, American goods in China are tariffed, right? So the Chinese are not buying American stuff because the prices are too high. Trump is evening that out now and making it reciprocal. And everybody here is freaking out. Oh, prices are going to go up. Prices are going up. And the Trump administration is like, well, then just don't buy the foreign stuff. Buy American. And I know it's a much bigger deal than that, right? Because you've got parts, right, that go into American products, but certain parts you can only get overseas. Well, then start making the parts here. If there's a market for it, someone will create a business and we'll start making those parts here. And that will take time, which is why I say the fall. So we have an upheaval going on now. People freaking out. Prices of everything are going up. And I'm just like, the wine in Napa Valley is pretty good. I don't need that French stuff. Because Napa Valley US wine, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Maple syrup, you don't have to buy Canadian maple syrup. You can buy syrup from New Hampshire and Vermont. It's just as good. It is just as good. Buy American then. Buy American. That's what it's about. But people freaking out. Oh, prices of everything are going to go up. And it's just like, or it's like the biggest stick used for negotiating ever. And Trump knows how to wield it and will negotiate the reduction of tariffs on American goods being shipped to other countries. So it goes both ways. We either put a big tariff on other countries' goods or they reduce the tariff on our goods going into their countries. It's only fair. But it does create uncertainty. And we talked about that the other week, the word uncertainty, right? That was the big thing. People freaking out. Jay, I already talked about why not swapping on Ledger Live. If you have Android, you can at least download the Chrome extension for MyDoge on your PC. Okay. Am I watching the Colorado Buffs Pro Day this week? No. If Hunter drops to number 4 and we pick him, then we have him. Doesn't matter. If he doesn't drop to number 4, someone takes him at 3 or 2, then we don't get him. and we draft somebody else. Not worried about it. It's New England Patriots football talk for the rest of you. DW, when an exchange says they're taking a staking 20% fee, what is that based on? When they pay you 4%. A staking fee? You should not have a staking fee. There should not be a fee. I don't know what that is, DW. You shouldn't have a fee. You stake it, you receive rewards for staking your crypto. There shouldn't be a fee. So what you need to do, DW, is move your coins off the exchange to a wallet that enables staking. Okay, I used Exodus wallet for Solana, Cardano, VeChain, the Graph you could stake from there. What else? I think there was another one you could Algorand you could stake using Exodus wallet. No fees. Yeah, you could send me an email, DW, sure. It just sounds weird. 20% fee? Why would they take 20%? It's your coins. I would just say, look, tell me which coin it is you're staking. Warren Buffett acquiring Tesla. I'm not selling tomorrow a car. Reciprocal is equal. Exactly. Yes, I am getting dragged to Minecraft Sunday night to Goa. Yes, I am going to watch the Minecraft movie on Sunday night. Getting dragged to it. Yep, exactly. I'm getting dragged to it. Jack Black being Jack Black. He doesn't really act anymore. He's just who he is. No more Modelo for you. You're an hour away from Napa, Christian? Yeah, the wine is good. Don't need that fancy schmancy French stuff. You like Argentinian wines? Yeah, Argentina has some good wines, but if they slap a big tariff on them, not worth it. Not worth it. You're welcome, Harry. Big day. Ah. And the other thing, Harry, is like it's tomorrow. Virtual babies come very fast. I'm very good at handling babies. Like the stupid cat. Stupid cat. He's trying to stake Fartcoin. I know, I'm Steve, right? Dumb. Sorry, I need my French cheese and baguettes. You can get cheese from Wisconsin. You can get baguettes from New Orleans. Sorry, you have to see the Minecraft movie. I know. It's going to be dumb. I got to find an angle, to make it worth like spending an hour and a half watching some stupid movie. Actually, my son is paying for the movie. He's paying me to go. Is he using Dogecoin? No, I don't think he is. But he's paying me. I said, yeah, to get me to go with you, you've got to buy my ticket. Because I'm not paying for that. But normally, yes, I would use my AMC app and my MyDoge app in order to pay for movie tickets. Yes. Yeah, something about French food, French wine, Charlotte. It's like here in the United States, we don't want to pay the tariff, so too expensive. We'll just buy American. We'll just buy American. No, the clam chowder, you got to come here for clam chowder. Boston is the place to buy clam chowder, not Pier 39. Here, Boston. The reciprocal story is a half-truth. What the EU doesn't buy in physical consumer goods, it makes up for buying a lot of technology services from the US. Yeah, there is that. But manufacturing is manufacturing and goods are goods. The last time you went to a movie, you fell asleep. Yeah, I don't put them down. I don't recline them. I sit up, watch the movie, enjoy it. Oh, this cat. See, Charlotte, this is the pain with this cat. He's just all over you. Like, oh. Let's get off this 4-hour chart. It's depressing. Let's zoom in. See these green candles. Doge. Sacre bleu. You miss France? Yeah. All that good stuff. I don't know what's Manchester known for as far as its food. What's the delicacy? What's the delicacy of in your part of England? So we talked about Elon Musk's bombshell statement crashes the Dogecoin price. No, it didn't. And the whole thing about Elon and what he said about Dogecoin and Doge, and doesn't matter. We've got a rally today, which is pretty good, 3.5%, pretty good. We can look at the crypto bubbles. We can just make sure that everything's still cool, green. Yeah, pretty much this DEXy thing. That's the only thing that's not doing well. I don't know what happened. I read like some big whale sold like half the supply or something. Took their profits and totally dumped it from $18 to $12. So, I mean, that's the problem with these tokens, right? You don't know who owns it all, and like crunch. But yeah, pretty much green, except and Pi, of course, which I've continually talk about, like why anybody is involved in this thing. I have no idea. But yeah, overall green day. You and Jasmine, Jasmine coming up out of there. But yeah, big green candle now. Dogecoin. Maybe we'll battle 17.5 again. The delicacy is rain. So sorry to hear that. Oh. Beware of the liberals up in Seattle too. Yeah. Wow, I got enough of them here. You want shared custody of PaxCat? What do you think? What do you think, buddy? It'll take years to ramp up wine production in the USA. We have production. Will the demand go up more because of prices? I don't know. British government is scared of losing its tax on digital platforms like Google and Meta. We have a new member, Niels. Welcome. Welcome to the fam. Welcome. We're a friendly place here. Ooh, those fighting words, Christian. Fighting words. Celtics going to win it all again this year. Guaranteed. I can say that on April 1st. I think Dogecoin's community is pretty loyal, Matt. It just means less selling, more diamond hands, more holding long-term, belief in Dogecoin. And when new people enter the crypto space and they find out about Doge, inviting community, that helps too. In the UK, Chippy T, Greg's, don't know them. $10 bonk. Wow, Harry, how did that happen? $10 bonk. Yeah, is he hurting me? No, he's like falling asleep in my arms. Celtics are going to lose to the 7th seed. Not a chance. Not a chance, right? The tariffs stink. You work for a Japanese company, and with all the 24% extra they have, more forms we have to fill out. Well, let's just get rid of them then. Just get rid of the tariffs. Your brother, Sommelier? Yeah, we make good wines here. Anthony in the house. How are you, Sir Anthony? It's no longer April Fool's Day where you are. Nope, the Patreon membership is not the same as a YouTube membership. If you're a Patreon membership, you're just doing that to support me and maybe download some of my spreadsheets that I put up there, but that's it. No. YouTube membership is just here on YouTube. Fish and chips. That's what I always hear about, the fish and chips. John just got paid. Looking for the dip. That was a couple days ago. Anthony holding a 66 Doge. I confirmed to have received 33 Doge last night, doubled up for zero cost. There you go, Anthony, making money. Making money. Joseph received his Doge. Nice. Just for fun, price prediction for this time tomorrow, 17.5 cents. Of course, Elon wore the stupid cheese hat. He was in Wisconsin. He wore the cheese hat. He wants to get them to all vote for that Republican conservative judge. Kind of a big deal, I guess. Nope, Anthony is never going to sell his 66 Doge. He's going to diamond hand them forever. When Doge goes to $5, he's going to remember. KrissPax live stream all told him to diamond hand, and he will regret selling the other 69 Doge. Will totally regret it. California has some good ones. You love Greg's? Proper cancer food. Oh, my. Right. On October 20th, 2025, you will have $66. Exactly. Doge is going to $1. You're going to diamond hands it? All right, Anthony. I mean, yeah, what did you put into it? Nothing. You just typed a word in the chat and you got awarded Dogecoin. Well, we will find out, Joseph. We will find out. And of course, when Doge goes to 1 million, Anthony will have 66 million. Oh, you're pathetic, cat. Why are you even here? Why aren't you playing? Nothing good going on out there? Yeah, Victor, send me email when you can. That's fine. No worries. Send me email when you can. Greg's is a pasty store. You got deliveries to Iceland? Wow. Howdy, Toss. Mountain Winery by Cupertino has good wines. Yeah, the Chicago band. They're all yutsy now. It's too bad Terry Kath died. He's the one who made that band, like, real. Then they all went pop, and that's okay. That's what happens. As soon as BTC breaks the downtrend, same for Doge. Again, we were looking at the 4-hour chart on Doge, and it's like, we broke the downtrend. So this is what we're looking at. Let's go. If I win a giveaway, I will keep that 33 Doge until 2050. Diamond hands, 33 Doge. Yeah, we all need to know what a bacon buddy is, Charlotte. We need to know. It's a bacon buddy. Oh my God. Well, I got to look this up now. I have to look this up. Greg's bacon buddy. Greg's bacon buddy. Oh my God. There you go. It's like a bacon roll. Look at that. Ah, I see what you mean, Charlotte. Cancer causing. Look at that. Oh my God. Bacon. Is there anything else on there? It's just bacon and bread? That's it? Wow. Look at that one. A giant one. Getting a heart attack, right? Just looking at it, getting a heart attack. Greg's. That must be a special one, Charlotte. This big one. Is that some kind of challenge or something? Dad tries to eat biggest bacon sandwich ever. 8,000 calories. Oh my God. Instant heart attack. Oh my God. Oh, that is something. Oh. Well, now we know. Now we know. So Ryan, now you know what a bacon buddy is. No, Kevo. Terry Cat all the way. Google says it's the perfect hangover sandwich. Oh. Like and subscribe. Keeping it real. Thank you, Raiden, for super chat. Appreciate it. When Doge goes to 1 million, we can come together and eradicate poverty worldwide. My God. Emmanuel Kriss was giving away 33 million in Doge. Usually a little brown sauce on it. Where are we heading? Well, Lima Johnny, we're heading up right now, breaking out of the downtrend. Things are looking good going into April here. I did an April price prediction video this morning, so you need to check that out on my channel. A video conference type live chat. I don't know where we would be able to do that, Victor. I know YouTube is trying to introduce some new features, but I haven't heard that one. Bacon. Christoph has gout. Yeah, Richie, welcome to the live stream. Did you get the email from the House of Doge million Doge giveaway? Is that an April Fool's joke? Because I haven't heard about a million Doge giveaway. That's for sure. Would you like some bread with that bacon? Bacon buddy coin? Yeah. The Baconator. And that's an English breakfast. Oh, God. The Baconator. What do I like to listen to? I have an eclectic taste. That's for sure. But it's kind of, the best way to describe it is kind of like melodic alternative stuff. Because in the 1980s was the big alternative. I was into that scene with New Order and Depeche Mode, the Smiths, all of that. And then into the 90s was still listening to some of that. And then 2000s or 90s, 2000s, The Script, one of my favorite bands. So that kind of stuff. That's generally what I listen to. Still, every once in a while, we'll go to like 1970s progressive, the prog rock stuff. Algorithmic bot trading. Yes, big time. Yeah, we've talked a lot about the bot trading, especially when it's just going sideways. Yep. A lot of the volume is just bot trading. Yeah, that's what I thought, John. As soon as I saw it, I was like, yeah, no. Can I swap more bacon? Need more bacon. Need more bacon. I am not a 2-pack listener. No. No. Yeah, tomorrow, Trump isn't talking till 4:00 East Coast time, US time, after the stock market closes. So I think there'll be some volatility, probably at market open, maybe a little bit at market close, leading right up to 4:00. But overall, it's generally going to be sideways. That's what I think tomorrow. It's not going to be any big dump because nothing's being announced until after the stock market closes. And as far as crypto goes, it's like we already know what he's going to say. I don't think there's going to be anything new. I mean, we've already been going down quite a bit from all that tariff stuff for 2 months. So yeah, I like the English. The British stuff coming out in the 1980s was awesome. Good stuff. Was not a fan of the Court of the Crimson King. That was just not a big fan. But when King Crimson sort of retooled in, let's say, the 1980s, I liked that. I liked that style. That was good. They did these 3 albums that were just awesome. Discipline, and I don't remember the names of the other 2. 3 of a Perfect Pair. Those were great. That was great music. I still listen to that stuff. That's good. You got some of that 16-cent Doge. Yeah, I don't know if we're going back down. We'll see. But yeah, this morning, 1676 on the dip. Came right back up. Somebody left a comment on my video this morning right during that dip. Some stupid comment like it's already dropping or my price prediction is already wrong. And then like an hour later, it was higher than it was. Just like, zoom out, look at the big picture. I traded all my Doge for XRP. I don't know if that is a April Fool's joke or not. But you never know. Some people think XRP is going to go up, and others like me think not. It already went up. Went from 50 cents to 250. Enjoyed that. Hit $3. Awesome. That was it. And I got some of that profit, and I still hold a little XRP in the KrissPax DCA portfolio. Others believe as well XRP is a pump and dump. All the safe moons making a big comeback, Ryan. People were posting that on X today. Safe moon, baby. Not. April Fools. Ha ha. Safe moon. Oh. Sold some NVIDIA to buy Doge. NVIDIA had a good run. Might still again. Hey, buddy. My buddy Lucky. What's going on? Today it's allowed. Just today. Mr. Doge $1? Yeah, not until October 20th. But you think May, all-time high, trust me, then get out before the summer. You know, that would be, I mean, if Doge did go on a huge run and by mid-May it was up at all-time high, there would be a lot of profit taking. Absolutely. A lot of profit taking. Hugo, it's coming. House of Doge isn't completely all formed yet, but it's coming. I think it's a nothing burger, Music Reel. I really think it's just going to be a nothing burger. It's all been hyped up now. We've already had a drop in the markets on tariffs, enough of it. Agreed. XRP Army. What a joke. Agreed. Yeah, XRP, I mean, Ripple's able to unlock tokens whenever they want. And it doesn't go to miners because nobody's mining XRP. So it goes to them. Good luck on your exams, Art Scholar. I'm living off my safe moon reflections. God, that was such a big selling feature, right? Yo, you're going to hold your safe moon and you're going to get reflections. And as the price dropped and dropped and dropped and dropped, it's like, yeah, those reflections aren't really doing much for you, are they? And it wasn't a lot of safe moon either you were getting out of that. It really wasn't a lot. Yeah, and that's what I've been saying about 2017. I just think the gap is going to be wider between the two pumps that we see in Dogecoin. It's going to be a wider gap. But hey, if you think May, I'll take it. I'll take it. I just think there's just still too much uncertainty in the economy, and things aren't really going to get revved up until the fall. That's my opinion. It's going to be more fall time. I know, Lucky. 21 cents. You say it seems kind of low, but it's a 25% gain for the month. So I would like to be more bullish about it, but overall, I think there's still too much uncertainty in the economy. Fear of recession, interest rates still are what they're not. There's no FOMC in April, so interest rates aren't going to be lowered. Inflation, still a bug in some areas, not solved yet. So Adam K's been listening, sold all his Doge from his car. You bought CoreWeave? They offered me to buy some, so I did on a whim, up 40%. Good luck. Victor's thinking 2026. 2026 should be a bear market year. In the 4-year cycles, it'd be a bear market year. So I'm not sure about that. 21 is better than 17. And it beats the house. Bull run during the summer? Not typically. We don't typically see big bull runs during the summer, Jay. Now that sounds good. Modelos and tacos. On a Tuesday as well. I'm just looking at the history, Anthony, and I'm just like, we just had 3 bad months. So we have another bad month. April has generally been good for Doge, so I'm looking for a slight recovery in April. It doesn't mean bullish, it just means recovery. I'm not asking for 40, 50, 60 cents for April. If it happens, that'd be awesome, but not predicting it. Best stocks to swing trade during a bear market. Well, it's definitely not the small cap ones. Definitely not small cap. Because they've just been getting hammered over the past month. Because the stock market has gone down over the past month. We can look at the S&P 500 and you can just say, hasn't been great. And we were up at 61.48 here, middle of February. So I mean, how do you swing trade stocks when it's just going down? That's tough to do. That's tough to do. I mean, it's not a full bear market. It's a big pullback. But Doge is looking strong on the recovery right now. Am I positive about peak? I've always said long term, just let it happen. So I am, but not today. It's 13 cents now. Got a long way to go. I mean, up 8% today. That's pretty good. Long recovery. Meme now till end of June, then get out. Buy back in alts in September until November, and then get out. 2026 will be a terrible year. Probably not bad. Holding on till June might be questionable. But the rest of that, that's a trading strategy. The opinion? Yeah, I think we already did hit the bottom. You didn't see the big Ichimoku cloud. The Ichimoku cloud. It told us we hit the bottom. When Doge dipped down to 14, we hit the bottom. The confluence of the 100-week SMA, the 200-week SMA. We also had this diagonal trend line from 2021 all hit in one spot right there with the Ichimoku cloud. That signaled the bottom. That was it. So guaranteed, it's all up from here. Guaranteed. Because the Ichimoku cloud says so. Together with the the confluence of the 100-week SMA, 200-week SMA, diagonal trend line, and the dip all hit in one spot. So guaranteed that was the bottom. That's the big chart. That's it right there. That's the chart setup that this whole live stream was all about, was that. You just got into crypto. Want to learn about trading. Any tips? Yep. You buy on the big red candles and you sell on the big green candles. That's my number one tip. If you're a trader, buy on the big red candles, sell on the big green candles. You buy when everybody's fearful. Prices are plunging. Everybody's freaking out. Market crash. That's when you buy. And then you sell when everybody's going, woo, woo, breakout. Here we go. Bull run. And that's when you sell. I think the House of Doge stuff is just going to slowly build, Jay. Ichimoku knows all. Ichimoku, great indicator. So, are you saying buy more Doge? If I was buying more Doge right now, I would be buying Doge. I would have bought some this morning on the dip. Right now, I've got my 2024 taxes to pay. I'm kind of tapped out, paying for those gains of all that stock swing trading I did last fall. And I made a lot of money. Swing trading DJT stock, big gain on Tesla. Swing trading, what else was I swing trading? MicroStrategy. Did two big swing trades on that. I did Megal, swing traded that, and Robinhood stock. And I got out of all of them on November 5th. So between September and November, I made $150,000 in profit. All short term. I got to pay the tax. And Bruce, I thought the Ichimoku cloud was an April Fool's joke, so I Googled it. And it's real. Yep. That would have been a pretty good April Fool's joke, right? To come up with some big new indicator, right? And like, but yes, it's real. Ichimoku cloud. Yeah, but Anthony, some people don't want the risk of put options. They just want to buy and hold. Less risk involved. Zach is in the house. Hey, Zach. Happy April Fool's Day. Happy April Fool's Day. I would say buy in September. So April, May, June, July, August, September. 6 months is what I would say. I would say 6 months, Zach. September. That's when you want to buy it. I still think there's a gain to make in April. It's not going to be huge, maybe early May, and then we're going to be summer, sideways, up and down. I don't know what's going to happen. But September, I'll probably be buying on the dips in August and early September. That's when I'll be doing most of my new crypto buying. It's going to be then. because I am a firm believer that this fall is going to be awesome. That's just me, though. Wait, what do I know? But that's just me. But happy April Fool's Day, Zach. Good to see you. Yeah, I don't know what to believe today. Can't believe anything. Even bonds. Raiden says buy on the red candles, hold on through the big green candles. But eventually you might want to take a little slice. Like I said last November, right? You might want to just take a little slice of profit just because. Ichimoku, the new Pokemon card. Megal. I know Megal went on a run this morning. Went from $1.35 up to $1.55, and now it's back to $1.39. The Ichimoku Cloud coin has been listed. Are green clouds good for Farco? Ichimoku, indeed, sounds like a Charizard. Yeah, Daniel, we've covered that a number of times. Again, Trump isn't talking till 4 o'clock in the afternoon, East Coast time, after the stock market closes. So there'll be a little volatility at 9:30. There'll be a little bit of volatility between 3:45 and 4 o'clock. And the rest of it is just going to be kind of some up and down sideways trading, I think. But I will be live at 4 o'clock tomorrow. And when Trump starts speaking, I'll be live. We'll be covering what the reaction is in the crypto market because, again, stock market will be closed. So we will cover that tomorrow. So with that, gang, everybody have a great evening. Pax Cat and I wish you a fine rest of your April Fool's Day. Hope you were entertained. None of this is financial advice except when it was. But then again, it's April Fool's Day. So take it for what it is. Everybody have a great evening. We'll see you tomorrow.
Dogecoin, which started as a complete joke, has like skyrocketed to not a joke anymore. It hit an all-time high of almost 10 cents yesterday, but it was so minuscule you wouldn't have understood why you have millions of shares.
Didn't Elon tweet that too?
And arguably, the most entertaining outcome and the most ironic outcome would be that Dogecoin becomes the currency of Earth in the future.